Hey, what's up, traders? Just want to do a recap and show you how I traded today's big momentum day. We had a big gainer today. We had big momentum play. Had some macro buyers coming in, and prices just rallied today. So basically, before I tell you how I traded today, I want to ask you a question. Out of the month, how many days usually do you see a trading opportunity like this where prices just shoot up like that? Well, for me, I don't see it quite too often. And this was, one of those times when it just happened. And, usually we had these higher time frame buyers, some of the macro buyers kicking in from the weekly, also weekly time frame. So we had some core traders kicking in, swing traders. So we had a lot of different buyers from different opportunities buying in today. So basically, today I didn't make any trades at all. I pretty much was at my computer. I set different alerts for different areas to bake, but I didn't see any opportunities that I want to make. But as you see from this morning, we started off right from the get-go, started going up. We had a breakout here, and we had another little pullback, and pullback. We had these different plays, and why didn't I get in any of these plays? Well, back in the day when I used to trade this, I used to kick myself 3 and 4 or 5 times for not jumping in these plays, for missing this. So I started incorporating my trading plan to let me get into these plays. And what happened, I made my trading plan almost revolve around something that doesn't happen that often. And so on my regular days when I did these patterns just failed. I mean, they go through, I get stopped out some, go through some, stopped out, and I'm thinking to myself, what am I doing wrong? What did I miss? So I'm looking through all these different things. Even days when I have my market internals showing bullishness. Sometimes these patterns work, sometimes they don't. Well, that's with any pattern, but we want to play the odds. The most decent pattern that I've seen here is this pullback right here to a support area. But even with this, I'm not going to buy it this many pullbacks up. So for me, not saying this wasn't playable, but since these type of plays, certain momentum plays like that, since I don't have that in my trading plan, my hit ratio is much better. When I had these in here, then that'll just cost me some time to lose money and get frustrated. So now this is not incorporated. I take the norm days and I made my trading plan revolve around that. Then you have some say, well, just enter a good momentum play in there. Well, you can have certain momentum plays, and some traders have those momentum plays in their trading plan. But the key thing is you never know how much momentum the day is going to have. Even in terms of bullish, who knew? No one knew the price was going to go up as high as they did. Even when you get a pullback up here, I mean, you could take the risk and take the chance. Trading is about taking risk and chances, but I'll just take the slow and steady money, and when a nice trade sets up and I get a move, might not be as big as some of these moves, but I get some nice ones, and I just be content with that. I take the slow and steady money. This right here, this is called chasing dreams. This is just what I call it. Not saying that these weren't tradable and anybody to trade this is chasing dreams, but for my trading plan, this is chasing, dreams. I just leave it alone and wait to just a normal day where we do get some good spikes and I could get, some nice points. I don't need a 50 points to, one day. I mean, it'd be nice to have 50 points in one day, but I don't, have to have that in order to be cool, or 25 points in one play. That's not a necessity. So I'll just wait, and when the market comes down, I'll just sneak in and, get my orders filled and pull my money out the market without chasing it, without buying high risk pullbacks, and I'm fine with it. So out of today, I didn't get any trades. Not saying it wasn't tradable. They did have a few opportunities, but I just decided at this point to leave it alone. So this is what I did. I made my trading plan. It, revolves around the actual norm days, and yeah, I will miss some of these days, and it happens. But just want to let you know, traders, how I did today and how I traded this big momentum move. I hope some of you other traders out there made some money, did have a lot of momentum today. So here we go to next time.